If you are getting this message when you open your AutoCAD, our Autodesk software license, checkout, timeout, what do you want to do? You have two options, either save drawing and quit or quit without saving. I do highly recommend before we do this is the update need to be done for that. You can do this from your Autodesk account. But before that, I would also like to check on the services, Autodesk services, see if it's running in the back. Click down in the bottom left, type in services, and click enter, and then we'll look for Autodesk desktop licensing right here. Make sure it's running and it's automatic. And the Autodesk desktop app service running and it's automatic. So if you can double check on that, if you right mouse click, you can start it here if it's not running, or you can go to properties, and from here you want to click on startup type. You want to make sure you set up to automatic or automatic delay, then click start, apply, hit OK. Same thing with the Autodesk desktop app. Want to make sure it's running. If this is grayed out, that means it's running. You can double check by click on properties. You want to say make sure it's set to automatic or automatic delay, and you click start, apply, OK. If these are running, everything looks fine, then I will go to the make the change and make the updates from the Autodesk account. I'm gonna go to manage in the web browser, manage.autodesk.com, and from here I'm gonna sign in with my Autodesk email address and password. It's gonna take me to my Autodesk account. Here I see product updates. So what we're looking for is the Autodesk licensing service 10.2.0.4231 and the single sign-in component. So we're gonna scroll down and look for Autodesk licensing service. Okay, this is Autodesk licensing service, but make sure this is Mac. We don't want that. We want the one for Windows. Autodesk licensing service. Check mark that, and on the right, click download. And then we look for the other one, single sign-in component. This one, single sign-in component 2020 21 11.3.0 English, and click download. Once you do these two downloads, you will be asked to restart the computer or just open your AutoCAD again, and that should solve the issue with the licensing checkout timeout. Thank you.